Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It's our fourth day of the 12 days of beef, and we've heard some great tips, seen some great recipes from chefs, bloggers already, and we're only 4 days in. And today I have a really simple trick for you if you're doing a beef roast this year, but you don't have the roasting rack. We have a trick for you. So all you need is a roasting pan, some aluminum foil, and then of course your beef roast, very important. And hey everyone who's watching, thanks so much for joining us today. So once you have your roasting pan, you can see mine is very big. Some of them are much smaller than this. You need to cut off about 3 feet of aluminum foil, and then we're just going to roll this into a log. I'll move my pan out of the way here. We're just going to roll this with the long side. And then once you have just a long log of aluminum foil, you can grab your roasting pan, and we're just gonna kind of curve it around. We're gonna bend this, go back and forth, make almost like an M shape here. And you put that in your pan, and now depending on the size of your roast, you may have to kind of shrink it up a little or maybe expand it out. If you had a really large roast and you wanted to do double support, you could do that. So just repeat the same steps, create a second little M shape with your aluminum foil, kind of weave in and out of that, and then set your roast on there, and that will keep the roast up off the pan.